Welcome to the page 6 of my journey. Today I came across this quote: "You can't let other people do your push ups." Being self motivated is essential for us to go through the goals that we set in our lives. Dapat aware tayo na walang ibang pwedeng mag-push sa sarili natin kundi tayo lang. Let's have focus on the things that we want to achieve. Self-development includes believing in oneself and taking full responsibility of it. Walang ibang pwedeng tumupad ng pangarap mo kundi ikaw lang. Your life is in your hands, so you better take good care of it. Push yourself because no one will do that for you.